In previous lesson, we've learned how to use FlatList with 2 columns. But if you have a look at our component, it's not reusable. We need to add some props to it to make our component reusable. So if you have a look at Figma here, we got here multiple images. But in our component, we get only one image. So how to make our component reusable? We're gonna use the props. We've used it before and we're gonna recap it. So we're gonna just add some property for image, title, and date. So here, image, title, date. And instead of each static value, we're gonna pass our props. So instead of this URL, we're gonna just pass our image. Like this. Let's please rename it and make it image URL. Choosing good names is not an optional, it's required. And you have to replace your names with good names when you have the chance, okay? So we're gonna make our first prop image URL. Then we're gonna go to our home screen, and inside our render item, if you have a look here, we need to pass this prop image URL. And for this image URL, we're gonna just pass item.what.image. If you have a look at our dummy data, we got here image property. Here and here and here. Each object has an image property. So this item refers to each item in our data object. So if you just press save, you're gonna notice that our new image has been appeared here in our app. Why the last image is not exist? I think we got something wrong with our last image. So let's, for example, try to check this URL. I think this URL is not working. Let's try to open it. As I predicted, it got 404. So let's replace this image URL. Let's pick this one from object 4 and let's replace it with it. Now, great, our image appear here. So now that was for the image. What about the title and the date? We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna go to our meditation card and replace this title with this meditation here. And also this date, we're gonna replace it with this static date here. Like this. Now we just need to go back to our home screen and pass those 3 props. The first is title, and it's gonna be equals to item.title. And the date is gonna be equals to item.date. And press save. Now we get here the data from our data file here. So if you change anything here, for example, let's make this AAAA. Look, we got here AAA. If you change the date and make it 6th of February and 10 p.m. You're gonna see also here 6th of February, 10 p.m. So any change of the data here, we're gonna be added to this data here. And also you can add any items. For example, we got here item with ID 6. Let's just duplicate it like this and give it ID of 7. And let's press save. Now it appears at the down here. But we got here an issue. Look, we need to add some space at the down here. How to add this space? Let's go to our home screen. Let's first format our code, just format document, and use this beautiful property, content container style. This property is the property to style the container of our flat list. So we're gonna just add padding bottom. Let's make it vertical scale. Let's make it 100. Now let's try to scroll down. Look. We got here space. Let's try to make it 150. Look, we got here more space. And also let's just add some padding top here. So padding top. Let's see what's the space in Figma. So we got here in Figma a space of 24. So let's just add 24. So now padding top vertical scale of 24. Now we got here vertical space and bottom space. We got only one last thing here. In our meditation card, we just need to add some TypeScript. So let's create our interface. Interface. Let's name it meditation card props. And we're gonna pass our 3 props. And 3 of them are strings. So this image URL is a string. And this title is a string as well. And this date is a string as well. String like this. And let's just format our code like this and give this interface prop to our meditation card component. So the type of this meditation card is a functional component that has those 3 props.